Hey guys, welcome back to my next art book preview video. This week we have the brand new Point Character Drawing Volume 2 by Taco. Get ready to see just how thick this volume is. Look at that, that is absolutely insane. So a quick look at the front and back, and let me get this green cover off as well. So if you own the first book, you'll remember that it came with like a blue strip across the cover like this. So look out for the green one on the new book. Problem is if I take these off I can never get them back on. But there's a quick look at the cover. So the first thing to note is that it is a Korean book, but it also has the English translation throughout the book, so don't worry about that. I'm going to read this introduction in a second, just so that we've got an idea of what's included. But first of all, I thought you guys might want to just pause the video here and take a proper look through at the contents for those that are interested. And some more of the contents there. I'm not going to stop the video for too long to read these out, purely because this this book is so large that if I stop on any specific pages for too long, I'll be using valuable time to actually show as much of this book as I can. I think the page count is somewhere between 900 and 1,000. I will put any sort of specific page count information in the description box below though. It's also quite funny because at this stage one side of the book is very high, close to the camera, purely because of how thick this book is. It's absolutely insane. So I'm just going to read out that introduction that we passed whilst I skim through, just in case it gives us any insight into what to expect in this book, or maybe what the difference is between this and Volume 1. So it says, I'm delighted to be back with Point Character Drawing 2. This new volume includes not only the images I previously shared online, but also unpublished work and updated illustrations, which is good to know because I did always wonder whether all of these works were available online. For those of you not familiar, if you follow Taco on his Instagram, he posts a lot of this stuff there, you see. Anyway, he also says, this book is a guide that helps make character drawing easier and more enjoyable. Not an answer sheet. If there were only one correct way to draw, everyone's work would look the same. I hope you'll use the ideas in this book to adapt them to your own taste and style, learn simpler methods and explore novel approaches. The approaches introduced in Point Character Drawing series are based on the practice methods that influenced me the most while learning to draw from a young age. I chose to focus on simple calculations and key points rather than rely on intuition. And through steady practice and trying out these methods in my own way, I was able to achieve meaningful results. Whilst learning environments and pace may differ, I believe every artist can grow in their own way by experimenting with the ideas in this book and by continuing to practice. And there is a little bit more, but that was the main stuff I thought was most relevant to this book. By the way, before I forget, I do already have a video on book 1. This one, as mentioned, that has the blue strip along it. So this one comes with 2 books, but I'm referring to it as book 1. There's quite a high page count to these, but nothing compared to this one. This one is over double the size. As well as that, there is actually one that's got a red strip that you might have come across. I believe that one is more based on actual character design, but I don't own that one yet. I want to get my hands on it. You guys have been asking me to get hold of a copy and preview that one on camera, so I am hoping to get one of those at some stage and show you guys, because yeah, I know you guys are eager for that one as well. But I'm really excited about this one. I know just from how popular that first volume was on my video, probably one of my most popular videos actually. So I'm pretty excited for this. I know you guys are going to be really excited too. So judging from these sort of strips on the side, I think this first section that we're still on, which is all about the human head and face, I believe that this is by far the largest section of this book. It does say, by the way, before I forget, that none of the stuff from Volume 1 is reprinted in this. It's all new stuff, or maybe revised and, upgraded with these new skills and tips at the very least. So it's not just a duplicate book, but this one apparently does not contain book 1. So this one actually was sent to me by my friends over at Kzone. To my knowledge, I don't even know if you can buy this anywhere else yet, because this one is brand new. And as usual, if you've seen any of my other Kzone books, they always offer you guys viewing this a exclusive discount when this first releases. So I will put links to this book on their website in the description box below, along with any details of an exclusive discount you can get, so you may as well save some money. I will say, as well as them being really good for getting hold of books like this that can be tricky to get hold of, they're also a really good price, and their worldwide shipping, at least to me in the UK, always gets here really fast as well. Also, if you do like this style of learning, you may like Anatomy for Artists, Drawing Form and Pose by Tom Fox Draws. This is quite a popular video I made. He does have a new book coming out very soon. So I'll put links to that and any other books that you might like in the description box below this video. Definitely check them out. So when Kzone sent me this book, I asked if they could give me a little bit of information because it's not a particularly text-heavy book. And there's only really that introduction that I read out at the beginning. And I thought you guys would find the information quite helpful. So they told me this is a completely new follow-up volume created without any repetition or content from the first book. It complies to the artist's most updated drawing tips from the past few years, whilst refining and expanding many of the explanations and illustrations. The whole concept of the book is understanding the entire full body drawing process as one continuous flow, and it's divided into 5 main parts with 37 chapters. So you might have paused the video at the beginning, but it had part 1, a face breakdown of the head shape, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, jaw, neck and hair. Part 2 and 3, arms and legs, explaining the flow from shoulders to fingertips and from thighs to the soles of the feet. Part 4, full body, analysing upper body versus lower body structure, muscle flow and how to balance the whole figure. And part 5, this one I had to ask them about because it says SD throughout that chapter and I didn't actually know what that meant. And they explained to me that this is known as super deformed, which is focusing on how to transform full body anatomy into a cute stylized version. So essentially, to me, that is what I would know as a chibi style. So I am skipping through just page by page, but then I'm trying to, skip a chunk at a time. Again, I can barely show any of this book just because it's so huge. I don't know if this video is going to already be a long one or not. I never really know until I've edited them. I don't want to bore you guys, but I want to give you plenty of information. And also I'm trying to preview a little bit from each chapter of the book. Again, I don't want to talk too much in this video and bore you guys to death, but I did want to just quickly give my thoughts or the benefits of this book in my opinion. It's been a while since I recorded book 1, but I probably said similar things in that one. But I find this book really good because of it being sort of bite-sized chunks, or that's what I refer to it as. And what I mean by that is there's not an information overload on each page. For example, there's only pretty much a line of text. So the drawings themselves really do the talking, and they are displayed or drawn out in such a simple way. And I think the simplicity or the basic drawings is really the strength of this book. It's not going to teach you how to render really realistic forms or anything, but that's not the intent. I'm someone who gets quite overwhelmed with a lot of information, especially when it comes to anatomy. Whereas the way this is broken down is just really easy to take in, really easy to remember. It's almost like it's just a book completely full of tips. So rather than a step-by-step drawing book, it's just got little bits of information that are easy to remember. So if you're ever feeling too overwhelmed to actually sit down from one of your more comprehensive anatomy books, picking up one like this is quite easy to just sort of work through, regardless of whether you want to go from front to back or whether you just want to find the specific topic that you're struggling with, for example, feet or hands or something. So he's really just made it easy for us to take in the information. I think this book's going to be great whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist. A lot of the information as well is very relevant to, fundamentals and realistic drawings. But you can tell he does have a slightly stylized look to it. And for me, that actually makes it a little bit more interesting. I already have a lot of realistic books, and they get a bit boring for me. And obviously, we've got this end section, which definitely stylized, but that's a little bit different. Pretty cool chapter to have, though. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful if you were thinking about buying the book. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you think to this one and whether you own the first book or even that red strip book on character design. Aside from that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out and means I can keep making more content like this. Thanks for watching, everyone.